Do you want to make affiliate income, but you're not allowed to post links to your articles? Do you get a high search volume for your articles, but do not know how to monetize it? Do you want to make passive income with your writing? Imagine this: you get accepted to writing for a highly praised publication. You think to yourself, yay, I can start promoting my links to their audience. But you read the fine print to their rules and they say no promo links allowed. Well, shit. What do you do now? Your new CTA. Most publications at the very least will allow you to have one call to action. Use this to your advantage. Your new CTA will be to have all your readers subscribe to get your stories. Why? Because you want to build your email list where there is an external way to communicate with your audience. Medium allows you to download your email subscribers. Anyone who subscribes to your content is inherently saying that they like your content enough to get notified about it. After you download your email subscribers, create an email funnel that provides value and promotes affiliate products. You don't have to be salesy when you promote your affiliate products. It can be as simple as you sharing a story about a problem you had and how the product you're recommending helped you. Don't overcomplicate it. Bonus: if you want to further your passive income earnings, you can create Medium articles that talk about your affiliate products and share them to your email audience. You get passive income from your Medium articles and affiliate income. P.S. Subscribe to my stories because I'll be sharing with you the affiliate marketing email strategy soon. In summary, I've shared with you the new way to make affiliate income without having to post links in your Medium articles. You can download your Medium email subscribers, create an email sequence, and promote affiliate products with your email sequence.